Hi boys and girls. Today we will be learning about tools for severe weather. We will read and learn about tools that we can use during severe weather storms. These are some of the tools that are helpful during severe weather to have at home. We have flashlights to help us see in case the lights go out, extra batteries in case we need to replace the batteries in the flashlight, and also umbrellas to help protect us from the rain. So far, we have flashlights, batteries, and umbrellas. We can also make sure to have plenty of canned food, bottled water, and a radio or phone to keep us updated on what's happening outside. We can use these tools too: a shovel to make a path in the snow, a cell phone to call for help, and a backpack filled with all of your helpful supplies. Now, I want you to circle the items that are useful in severe weather. We have a flashlight, batteries, a soccer ball, canned food, nail polish, a water bottle, a rubber duck, a radio, and a guitar. After you circle these items, discuss them with anyone that is there with you at home.